I'm gonna make a beet, apple, and carrot salad. It's gonna knock your socks off. It's raw, it's delicious, it's crunchy. It's just something you're gonna wanna eat. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. So a few years ago when I started Kitchen Dads, I made this salad. It was a beet, carrot, and apple salad. Little did I know that it would become one of my most popular videos. You can see here that it's got probably almost, I don't know, near 500,000 views. So since then, I've been experimenting with the salad like I always do, trying different things. And also last time you saw that I did this with a box grater. And it was great. Got a lot of workout. It got a big workout, helped build my arms, but it was a lot of work and it was a big mess. And so some of the comments were, Cliff, you know what? Can we do this salad but in a different way so it isn't so much mess and that we can do it faster? Because I gotta tell you, grating beets takes a while. So here's my new version of my beet, apple, and carrot salad. I think you're gonna like it. First things first, couple things. We want 2 beets. Right now, this is a big beet. This is not organic beet, so you'd have to peel it. That's something we don't want to do here. So I was able to find, and it's pretty easy to find, organic beets. Right? You can see they're not as big. You can also use the tops too. That's the nice part, is you can go ahead and use these. You can use these tops. And all I did was I just cut off the stem a little bit and put it there. We don't have to wash it because it's organic. It's great. We're going to use 2 apples. These are fantastic Granny Smith apples, and then a couple carrots. I am going to go ahead and just chop these up a little bit. All right, we are going to put these things in the food processor. Cut these beets up. You got to cut your stuff up to fit the hole that you have in your food processor. All right, so we're going to go ahead. So as you can see, this is a lot faster than using a box grater. Last time it probably took me about a half an hour, and now this got done in a matter of minutes. So we're gonna take our freshly sliced, this off to the side, bring the bowl, look at that. You can see the salad makes a lot. It's very colorful now, but as we mix it and the beet juice kind of drains, everything's going to turn a little bit red. All right, now we are going to take 2 lemons. Now I don't want to waste this awesome zest that's on the lemon, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to zest these lemons. You don't want to get too much of the white, you know, that's the bitter part, right? But the rind has so much fresh lemony goodness. I don't know if that's a phrase, but I guess I just love lemons. It brings a nice freshness to everything. All right, so we're gonna take that. We're gonna chop that up. Rough chop. Throw that in the salad. We're gonna take 2 lemons. If you've ever worked with beets before, you know that whatever you're using is going to turn red, especially your fingers. Right, so we're going to go ahead and the juice of 2 lemons. This is a handy little juicer I picked up on a trip to Michigan. You gotta be careful you don't get seeds in your salad. You know, we got sweet carrots, The beets are sweet, the apple's sweet, so we need some type of acid, something that's gonna play against all the sweetness from the vegetables. All right. Now, a couple other ingredients and we're done. We have a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil, with a nice mouthfeel. And then, if you want, I like to add in some honey, right? If you want to avoid the sugar, you can do that. Everything else is sweet enough, but I think this adds another component to it. And this is a tablespoon and a half of honey. All right. We are going to hit it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. You need to do this to taste. Start light and then add to it. And then we're going to just mix this up. Everything turns red. This is great to serve with some chicken or some fish. It's a nice raw components, so it's a raw dish. Some people get a little freaked out about the amount of sugar or carbs that they have in the beets, but there's a lot of fiber, so it kind of counteracts that a little bit. All right. If you get a piece like this that gets stuck over, it didn't really cut well, just take it out. All right, let's give this a try. I've got to give this a try. We're going to put a little bit on our plate. And then we're going to go ahead and give this a little shot. I love the way that the beets, they're all independent. You can taste them individually, but when they come together, it's just something that's really great. Super crunchy. You could put this on fish, you could put this on chicken, but just put it in your mouth because it's so good. It's a great summer salad, makes everybody happy. And you know what? It doesn't take a half an hour to grate everything. You can get this thing done in probably about 15 minutes. I think you're gonna like it. Give it a shot. So because you stayed till the end, we're gonna give you an update. Now, we've had a lot of people test this, and the consensus is, while I like a little more bitter because of the lemon, we tried this with orange, and it's really the way to go. It cuts the beet flavor out a little bit. It kind of blends the flavors all together. You really don't need the honey if you don't want it. So, just because you stayed, you got the inside scoop. Try it with orange. If you like more of a sweet, mild, if you like bitter, try it with lemon.